Good morning, gurus. Welcome to another episode. Hope you're having a beautiful weekend. I'm going to jump in the charts for Bitcoin and Ethereum. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up, and turn on the bell. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going, and not much movement at all in the market. I almost wasn't going to make a video just because we're so stable, but world a little bit up, and there is some signs of life. You can see world coming in, volume. Let's go to Bitcoin, Uniswap. Volume still okay, but the last few days volume dropping off also on Uniswap, not good. All alts though doesn't matter if Bitcoin drops now, they don't really seem to react from Bitcoin dropping too much. This is my formation on Bitcoin. So according to Bitcoin, according to this formation, so what you're looking at is Bitcoin moving for the last few weeks. And you can see this rising wedge. This is a bearish pattern that builds pressure. And I was warning everyone at 72. We broke down. Now, what we're forming here is the opposite, a descending wedge. You learn this in the Crypto Master Course. Builds pressure, and breaks out. So I think today, while everyone's resting, while everything's closed Sunday, I think Bitcoin's going to pump. Stochastic turning up on the daily. On the 4-hourly, stochastic already heading up, turning green. On hourly. So it looks like it's about to do it right now. So that's why I wanted to quickly release the video. Actually, I knew this descending wedge, but it looks like it's going to break out, and we're on a very strong support here, but doesn't matter if it breaks out. It's going to, in my opinion, 68k, possibly. Depends how much volume comes in when it goes up here. If it goes up to 68k and massive volume comes in, then I hold, and then I'm seeing what Bitcoin is doing in the overall time frame, which is this, and this is inverse head and shoulders, which is the opposite of this normal head and shoulders. These move the distance of the head, this distance here. So in this case, it will break out this distance if you were descending head and shoulders. Inverse head and shoulders is the reverse. So if Bitcoin pumps out today with volume, and volume manages to come in next week, we could have the movement being this distance here. So it could be very good news for Bitcoin, but again, we have to see this weekend. We need to see volume break out, and we need to see a continuation next week. And then target will be my final fifth wave target that we've been talking about. If you looked at my formations, Elliott wave counts for the last few years, months, you know we'll hit that fifth and final wave. That's my updates in the markets on Bybit. Bitcoin pumping right now as I was making this video, actually. My order didn't execute at 63. Look at that. It came down to 63,333. I had it at 63,000. But on my videos, I was telling everyone and showing for the last few weeks 63,287, also not hitting it. So we missed it by like $50 on that 3 Bitcoin trade. That would have already pumped out it would have been few profit. Bitcoin, I've got orders at 63.58, but I did buy the dip on spot. So if you watch my videos, I was buying the dip on spot, and this is what I've accumulated: 200k cash, 86k MCRT, 1.2 Bitcoin, Uni, Doge, World, Pocket. That's what I accumulated on the dip. There's a link down below. You can learn all of this, and you can take the courses and join us in Telegram. There's thousands of you in that Telegram, and you're chatting, hundreds of you chatting together every day. And you can learn all this, take all the courses before you trade. Don't use too much leverage in the beginning. Try to learn on spot first. Learn what crypto is, why it's revolutionary, and why it will change the world. Love you all. Have an amazing day, amazing weekend. Be grateful for your life, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.